What's up, rock stars? It's me, Scuttlechuck, your favorite marketing social media genius. If there's one thing we know, it's a crazy world we're living in these days. And if there's another thing we know, it's who runs this world? Media marketing rock stars. That's right, guys like me. I'm looking for companies that have products to sponsor me, send me those products so I can show them to my Instagram following. Over my years on social media, I've amassed a following of 200 of my closest friends and family. Their pockets are deep and they're ready to buy. Hey, I know what you're thinking. You're probably asking yourself, who's a Scuttle Chump? Here are some of the top reasons why I should be your new media marketing hub star. I tried keto, I disowned my family, and I knew Bitcoin was going to be huge, but I didn't have any money. Hey, if that doesn't sell you products,
I don't know what the hell is going to sell you products.